here to do a unboxing of an item that I picked up after I saw it on Instagram. I scrolled through, y'all know how those ads and stuff pop up on Instagram. Well, I saw this particular item on there and I went to the website and I was like, ooh, let me check this out. I am not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money or whatever, so this is not a sponsor video. But this I'm gonna open it with you guys, but this is called Chasertini, and it's in the color Seafoam or whatever. So let me show you guys first so y'all know what I'm talking about. And I thought this was like the cutest little thing, and I was like, OMG, I got to get that, because I like to have me a little daiquiri or martini every now and then, because I'm not a drinker like that now. I turn up some wine. But here's how they had it packaged. Oh, this is cute. Big too. Scoot back some. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. So y'all, here it is, and like I said, this is called the Chasertini, and it is in the color Seafoam, and it also comes in like a purple, a pink, a silver, and a white. So, but this is by Orca. And if you want to order it, you'll go to orcacoolers.com, and I'll put the information in the bottom or whatever. Once again, I'm not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money, but I'm just showing it just in case you guys want one. But here is the top, and I like this cup because it has a top on it or whatever. So just in case you like outside, you know, at a barbecue, at the beach, or you know, wherever you're at or whatever, and you just want to protect your stuff from like bugs and all that other stuff or whatever, it has a little top on there. So here it is, and it has Orca on there. This color is so pretty. But here it is, and there's the bottom of it. Like I said, here's the top, and then you just pop that up, and then you'll drink like right there. And like I said, you can pop it back down. So freaking cute. This is so cute. And then you take it off, and then here is that. And this is the, you know, the same kind of material that be, not material, well, yeah, the same kind of stuff that be inside of the, it helps hold the temperature of your stuff or whatever. And it holds 8 ounces. And it has the double walled vacuum sealed. And then it says the interior copper clad for superior temperature retention. And it is the stainless steel food grade body. And it's PBA free. Clear lids let you see when it's time to refill your beverage. I know that's right. But yeah, y'all, that is so freaking cute. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna have to make me a margarita or something and put in here, because you don't have to use it for a martini. You can put, because baby, I'm gonna put some wine in here. I'm gonna put me a margarita in here. Hell, might put some water in here, soda. You can put whatever you want to put in here or whatever. But I thought this was the cutest thing, and it retails for $29.99. and I want to say if you sign up, you'll get like some extra percentage off, because I end up paying like $25, because I think I got, I don't know if it was 25% off or something, but I got some kind of percentage off or whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to show that, share this with you guys, because I thought this was the neatest thing when I saw that, because I have a habit of collecting cups and stuff like these that, you know, the ones that hold their temperature and stuff. I don't know, I like those kind of cups, but I thought this was really neat. You pop that up, take you a little sippy sip, and go on. But yeah, I just want to share this with you guys. It's called Orca, and it's Orca coolers, and they also carry like other kind of cups and coolers and stuff like that or whatever, but this is what I wanted. So this is what I got, and I just want to share this with you guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. And like I said, I'll leave the information in the bottom or whatever. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.